Tech wreck. Time to get your tech wreck.
Tech wreck. Chicky.
Tech wreck. Time to get your tech wreck.
It is tech wreck time. Adam, what do you have for us this week?
All right, for all you professionals that occasionally find yourselves needing to build a PowerPoint deck or some other document that looks not terrible, and you want a way to do it that's easy, and you don't have to like do this like the whole Canva template rigmarole or something that's ugly. Gamma.app is your best friend because here's what you do. You can give Gamma.app an outline. Slide 1, here's the title, here are the bullet points, and I'd like this type of image. Slide 2, title, bullet points, I'd like this type of image. Slide 3, whatever, you get the idea. And it builds the entire thing for you real time, and it is freaking fantastic. And then you can go in and make minor edits to the slides as you need to. So I've been doing this for Project 900. So I've been doing, been trying to teach 900 nonprofits how to use AI at project900.com. And in all of my decks for all of my lessons I just drop a bulleted list of all the slides I want into Gamma.app. It creates them all. I do almost no editing of the slides at all. It's that good the first time. And then I can use it. I can present with it. I've used it to create PDF one-pagers of things as well. I've used it to create like larger multi-page documents as well. Like it is, it's kind of like Canva. If you could just text prompt Canva to do exactly what you want, and it just does it. And their free tier allows you to create a bunch of stuff for free. I was able to create probably my first 4 or 5 slide decks for free on their free plan before I had to pay for it. So I could not recommend it more highly. It's one of the best AI tools I've used in the last 6 months. It's amazing. So yeah,
it's super interesting. It looks really nicely done. I'm wondering what they're using on the back end as their AI.
They use a variety of different things for the images. I don't know what they use for the text, but there's a lot of different image generate, because you can choose like AI image generation, or you can choose stock image selection. So it'll do either one. And then if you don't like one of the images, you can regenerate another one, and it'll give you a bunch of options, and then you can choose one from that, which is pretty great.
That's super interesting.
Yeah.
I like it.
All right, Sanjay,
try it out.
What do you have for us this week?
So I've got a tool that is used by a lot of developers, I think, and I'm just now starting to use it. It's called Linear.app. And so basically it's a bug tracking tool that I've started using for TogetherLetters, of course, and then also some other things that we're working on. But the thing that really interested me was I just saw today an article about Linear, which I'm also tagging in the show notes. Linear sent me down a local first rabbit hole, and it made me realize why it is so good. So what they have built underneath in the engine of this is a sync engine, so that when you're doing things in the app in the browser, things are so snappy, they're immediate. They save to a local database inside of your browser, and then afterwards sync up over the internet to the main database that they hold.
Yeah.
And so the performance, I was really impressed by when I was using it. I didn't realize why it was so fast, but that's the reason why. It acts like it's a local application, basically.
Yeah.
And there's no delay. And when you change screens and things like that, like everything is super, super snappy because they've synchronized everything to your local browser. Now, we've seen some of these things in the past before too, like Chrome had some things like that where you could run like web apps and things were local and things like that. But I think this is a whole different level. And so this person, if you wanted to go check out the article, talks about how it works and then how to actually replicate this yourself. So if you're a developer, to think about the steps of being able to do this to make your applications like this. But if you're a developer and you're looking for a tool to help you track issues and things like that, try out Linear. It's really well done. It's pretty impressive.
All right.
So,
fantastic.
there you go.